Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yuhan Pabi. So ito po yung napanulunan ni Sir Taluytoy kahapon, 106 raffle, number 5 from Navotas City. Yan, so may previous na mug and cup. Also meron siyang sticker ng Mr. Yuhan Pabi, magazine capacity, 30 rounds. Ito po yung kanyang unit na Army Armament R501 Costa Ludus. Napakaganda nitong unit nito. Color tan yung grip. Naka ambidex safety. Naka fiber optic front sight. Color red. So naka compensator na rin po yan. Logos and markings. Naka magwell. Napakalakas nitong unit na to. STI. Yan, so may railings. Yan. Siya. Yan. Congratulations po Sir Taluytoy ng Navotas City. Ito na po yung unit ninyo. Army Armament R501 Costa Ludus Color Tan. Thank you.